Hey everyone, so here I am in Figma again. It's been about a week or so. Life, family, work, everything. But yes, I've got to work a little bit more on the design. Picked some colors. My daughter actually drew this little logo and she wanted it to be kind of like a little unicorn with slime, and she drew it, and then on paper, and then I created it in Figma. So that's the little logo. These are the colors, and yeah, this is just a basic homepage. It's kind of like a little product card, and the funnest part is, again, doing the prototyping. So I'm going to demonstrate that here. Here I have a list of some components I've created. And yeah, so let's go into the prototype. You connect it with these little connectors here. I'm still learning how to do that a little bit better, but I've got down the basics. And once you kind of get the hang of it, it's not that tough at all. And it's really fun, actually. So if I play it from the beginning, here we go. Actually, I need to make it a little bit small. Okay, so you click on the drop-down menu, and it appears, and then I want glitter slime. And there's the hover effect. And that's it, but I've made progress, and just wanted to share it with everyone. Let me know what you think. Looking forward to hearing it. Take care. Have a good night.